Hi, I'm Victor. In this video, I'm going to cover a corporate bond that pays a yield of 6.7%. This bond is issued out by Occidental Petroleum, and it is an investment that I've made, and I'd like to tell you more about it. So this bond pays a coupon rate of $7.50 per $100 that you invest in it, but it has a yield of 6.696% because you're paying a premium for this bond. And therefore, it ends up being a yield of 6.7%. I'm getting into bonds because I have a lot of stocks in my portfolio, and the S&P index is down almost 14% this year, very volatile. And I started to really grow my bond investments about a month ago. I'm hoping to preserve my capital better and get a nice yield in the form of interest and dividends. And this bond is surely doing that for me at a very nice yield of 6.7%. And it's also preserving my capital far better than if I had it in a stock. The bond rating on this one is a little bit low. Moody's and Standard & Poor's rated as junk high risk. I don't completely agree with that. I think this rating is old. And the reason for it, in 2020, oil really sank down to like $30 a barrel, even lower. And obviously that created a lot of concern in the oil markets. But now oil is above $100 a barrel. They're making money like you wouldn't believe. So I feel like this is an investment with a reasonable amount of risk for me. And I'm going to get that yield, and I'm also going to preserve my capital. Occidental Petroleum is just on fire. In 1 year, their stock price has gone up 110%. So why not buy the stock price? Well, I already own Chevron, and Chevron's done great. It's a major oil company. It's fully integrated. I've been a Chevron investor for a long time. I really worked with oil stocks in 2020, 2021. I owned Exxon. I owned Chevron. I owned a couple of other smaller oil companies and did really well. But that I wanted to begin to lower my risk and exposure to oil companies in the form of stocks. So I've taken my Exxon stock and sold it, and I'm beginning to diversify into corporate bonds. That way I can get a very nice yield, but I'm in an industry that I really like, which is oil companies. Moving on Oxy, their revenue is up 46%, and it's all because of that per barrel oil price. Their economy is thriving. Oxy is making lots of money. So again, I'm diversifying into this bond to get a good yield, collect really high interest, and offset some of that stock volatility that we're seeing in 2021. I'll continue to study the oil companies and this company each quarter to make sure my capital is in a good place. Please keep in mind that this video is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not recommending you buy or sell OXY Corporate Bonds, any stock or security whatsoever. I really like sharing my experience as I invest in corporate bonds and stocks. I hope you found it interesting. If you can do me a favor and like my video, hit the subscribe button if you like videos like these, and hit the bell to be notified when I create a new video. Thanks again for watching. Good luck investing in 2022.